The Vanity Planet? The Daily Care or Amconsure? Perhaps the Microderm or the Colorfarm? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 facial steamers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best facial steamers. The 5th product on this list is the Amconsure Face Steamer. This device brings the spa experience to your doorstep with its powerful mist and remarkable hydration capabilities. In just 12 to 15 minutes, treat yourself to a relaxing facial session in the comfort of your own home. This versatile facial steamer offers professional-grade skincare by opening up pores, reducing acne and blackheads, fading spots, and promoting skin metabolism, resulting in a more translucent complexion. Thanks to its nano-ion technology, the steamer ensures deep penetration and effective moisturization of each skin layer, leaving you feeling confident and radiating beauty from within. Operating the facial steamer is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly one-button design. Additionally, the automatic shut-off function adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the experience. The Amconsure also boasts a stylish design, making it an ideal gift for your loved ones. Furthermore, the inclusion of brushes and a hairband adds convenience to your beauty routine, making it even more enjoyable. In summary, this facial steamer is perfect for those seeking spa-like benefits in the comfort of their own home. It provides deep hydration, allowing you to achieve a smoother and more rejuvenated complexion. Pamper yourself and enhance your beauty routine with the Amconsure facial steamer. Its pros are: it has a super strong mist and deep hydration for a spa-like facial. It is multifunctional with the ability to open pores, reduce acne and blackheads, and it has an easy one-button operation and an automatic shut-off function for convenience and safety. However, its 3.5-ounce tank requires frequent refills during longer sessions. The Amconsure Face Steamer is ideal for individuals seeking a convenient and effective way to hydrate and rejuvenate their skin at home. Up next in 4th place is the Colorfarm Facial Steamer. Here we have a valuable addition to your skincare regimen, offering a multitude of benefits for achieving healthier and more radiant skin. Featuring nano-ionic steam technology and a purifying light function, this steamer effectively purifies and moisturizes the skin, leaving it feeling fresh and rejuvenated. With its remarkable 20 times penetration power, the steam reaches deep into the skin, providing optimal hydration and nourishment for a rosy and delicate complexion. The 15-minute golden time feature is perfectly tailored for skincare, striking the ideal balance between a duration that avoids skin damage and ensures sufficient moisturization. Indulge in professional-grade facial care with the comfort of your own home. The Colorfarm Facial Steamer effectively addresses a range of skin concerns and enhances the absorption of your favorite skincare products. Its noiseless operation adds to the overall relaxation, creating an atmosphere reminiscent of a luxurious spa experience. Safety is also a top priority with Colorfarm. It has undergone rigorous testing and obtained UL certification, guaranteeing peace of mind during each use. With this device, you can elevate your skincare routine and unlock the benefits of a spa-quality treatment conveniently within your own home. Its pros are: it has the ability to penetrate the skin 20 times more effectively. This steamer ensures deep hydration and nourishment. Its 15-minute duration strikes a balance between sufficient hydration and avoiding skin damage. And it has undergone testing and obtained UL certification, assuring users of its safety and reliability. However, it focuses primarily on delivering nano-ionic steam and does not offer additional functionalities. The Colorfarm Facial Steamer is ideal for those looking to utilize nano-ionic technology to improve their skin. Still haven't found a facial steamer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Microderm Glow Facial Steamer Spa Plus. This unit is the ultimate solution for achieving clear and radiant skin right in the comfort of your own home. It offers a game-changing beauty trick with its warm nano-ionic mist, which works wonders by deeply cleansing, hydrating, and purifying your skin. The result? A glowing complexion and visibly smaller pores that will leave you feeling absolutely fabulous. And don't just take our word for it. Dermatologists highly recommend this steamer, and it even comes with a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing both results and your satisfaction. Say goodbye to dull and lackluster skin. With this device, your skin will be transformed as it becomes softer, more hydrated, and thoroughly purified. Experience the magic of spa-grade facial steamer treatments, powered by the incredible Ionic steaming technology. Get salon-quality results without breaking the bank, and enjoy glowing, hydrated skin in just a matter of minutes. This unit stimulates blood flow and opens up your pores, creating the perfect canvas for maximum absorption of your favorite skincare products. Imagine the power of peptides, serums, moisturizers, and creams working their magic on your revitalized skin. After just one treatment, you'll notice a remarkable difference: smaller pores, softer skin, and an overall clean and healthy appearance that will have you feeling more confident than ever. Investing in the Facial Steamer Spa Plus means embracing the wonders of scientific skincare. It's your ticket to enjoying the radiant effects of increased blood flow and enhanced product absorption. Trust us, once you experience the transformative benefits of this facial steamer, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Its pros are: it hydrates and purifies the skin, leaving it radiant and clear. It increases blood flow, opens pores, and provides 320% deeper hydration. And it is simple to operate with one-button functionality. However, it may find the operation of the steamer to be a bit loud at times. The Microderm Glow Facial Steamer Spa Plus is perfect for individuals seeking an affordable at-home spa experience with deep hydration, purification, and clear skin benefits. The second product on this list is the Vanity Aira Ionic. This next facial steamer is an absolute must-have for your skincare regimen. It elevates your routine to a spa-like experience, offering a multitude of benefits suitable for all skin types. Through its ion generator, this steamer enriches water molecules, allowing for deep penetration that thoroughly cleanses and detoxifies your skin. You have complete control over your steam experience with the adjustable nozzle and 85 milliliter water tank, enabling you to customize the level and duration of steam to suit your preferences. By incorporating the Aira steamer into your routine, you can enhance blood circulation, clarify your complexion, and maximize the effectiveness of your beloved skincare products. And that's not all. The steamer comes with essential oil baskets, adding a touch of luxury to your experience. Simply fill the basket with your favorite oil and let the soothing scents enhance your relaxation. Whether you desire a moisturized and softer appearance or wish to indulge in a self-care spa session within the comfort of your own home, the Vanity Aira Ionic Facial Steamer delivers outstanding results. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to use the steamer for up to 15 minutes daily, 2 to 3 times a week. For home spa days, this comprehensive device is very hard to beat. Its pros are: it has an ionic steamer system that effectively detoxifies and cleanses the skin, removing impurities and promoting a clear complexion. It has an adjustable nozzle that allows you to customize the steam level according to your preference and needs. And it has essential oil baskets that enable you to incorporate soothing scents into your steaming session, enhancing relaxation. However, it recommends using distilled water to prevent mineral buildup as it's tricky to clean. The Vanity Aira Ionic is ideal for individuals of all skin types who want an effortless way to give themselves smooth, radiant skin in just 15 minutes. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top facial steamer is the Daily Care NanoSteamer Clinical. This device is truly in a league of its own when it comes to at-home facial steaming. It offers clinical-grade treatments that replicate the protocols used by skincare professionals, giving you the same luxurious experience without the need for expensive spa visits. Not only does this save you time, but it also saves you money in the long run. What sets the Daily Care NanoSteamer apart is its dual-nozzle 360 rotation design, which provides unparalleled versatility. Whether you prefer to enjoy your steaming session while lying down, sitting, or at different heights, this steamer caters to your needs, ensuring a personalized and truly magical spa-like experience. But that's not all. The smart steam technology of this device takes facial steaming to a whole new level. It delivers 10 times more power and effectiveness than ordinary steamers, deeply hydrating, moisturizing, and cleansing your skin. The best part is that it enhances the absorption of your favorite skincare products, maximizing their benefits. With 6 pre-programmed clinical modes displayed on the digital LCD screen, addressing specific skin concerns such as dryness, oiliness, aging, and breakouts, you can achieve fast and easy results without any irritation or dryness. As a bonus, like the previous product, it offers aromatherapy capabilities, allowing you to infuse herbs, flowers, and oils for a truly luxurious and customized treatment experience. And let's not forget the included stainless steel extraction set, which ensures the safe and gentle removal of whiteheads, blackheads, and blemishes. It's no wonder this steamer is the perfect gift for home users and professional estheticians alike. Experience the wonders of professional-grade skincare right in the comfort of your own home and prepare to transform your skincare routine and elevate your self-care rituals to new heights. Its pros are: it's very well engineered to provide you the best at-home facial steaming experience. It offers versatile treatment options, allowing you to steam your face from different positions and angles. It has smart steam technology that generates enhanced ionic steam that deeply hydrates, moisturizes, and cleanses the skin. And it's easy to use thanks to the 6 pre-programmed modes and clear display. However, it is quite a bulky unit compared to others on this list. The Daily Care NanoSteamer Clinical is a brilliant choice for any skincare enthusiast. Its wide range of features and excellent build quality makes it perfect for daily use by anyone looking to dramatically improve their skin's health and look. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.